These are my 5 tips on getting healthier. Number 1, weight lift to build muscle mass. Muscle mass drives metabolism. Number 2, do not do too much intense cardio. Intense cardio can be catabolic, which burns muscle away, and that reduces your metabolism. Number 3, walk 10,000 steps every day. Don't average 10,000 steps, walk 10,000 steps. Anyone can do it, it's a matter of effort. Number 4, eat 100 calories less a day. So have one less latte, have one less piece of bread, skip a couple bites at every meal, and there's your 100 less calories. And number 5, don't eat processed foods. Anything, don't eat crackers, cookies, bread, pastas, anything in a box. And I'm even going to throw in a number 6, be accountable. Be accountable in the gym, be accountable by taking pictures of yourself, making progress, and be accountable with a food diary. This is Brian Burk, Rewind Anti-Aging. Share this video, like it, and follow us on YouTube because there's a much more detailed explanation of these tips. Take care. Brian Burk, Rewind Anti-Aging.